Hello. Hello. Hello, am I audible, guys? Hello. Hello.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what I am looking for, I'll tell you what I am and what I'm looking for.
Okay. Please.
Yeah, I'm a MSBI developer for around 4 to 5 years. Not 4 to 5 years. I'm a SQL developer basically. SQL and MSBI developer altogether for around 4 to 5 years. I'm presently working in Pentaho.
Okay.
Pentaho tool.
Yes.
So I would like to learn this ETL, Talend ETL and administration. So I can
as
learn.
well.
Yeah, I can learn things on my end, but I am presently working, and I'm finding it difficult to get time because of various other things. So I want some fast track training um, with ETL and administration. So setting up servers, cloud integration, connecting to big data tools, those sort of
Okay.
things, and doing the ETLs.
Okay.
So I did work in SSIS and Pentaho ETL tools, so I can easily pick up things. But I'm looking into this cloud integration, connecting to big data and other.
I'm afraid of two words here, like big data and cloud connectivity.
Yeah.
Can you please give me some more information on those requirements?
Well, presently every tool is capable of connecting to big data, right? When you talk about big data, it could be any MongoDB or Hadoop or file system or
Okay, so you are aware of, I mean, you are aware of the concepts of big data?
yeah, I'm just learning those concepts now.
Okay. Okay,
The only
fine.
reason why I want to move to Talend is there are not
Yes.
many projects in Pentaho with big data.
Okay.
So Talend has in UK particularly, Talend is more into whenever talk of big data projects, they talk about Talend as a
Okay.
ETL tool. So I'm parallelly learning big data. So they want
Okay.
somebody with big
So.
data knowledge, not experience, and Talend experience.
Okay.
So,
Okay, you are able to see my screen, right?
yes, I can. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. just want to give you like two things here. Talend, no, before we actually jump into the demo, I just want to give you some information. Talend deals with the data. We have Talend data integration tool, okay, and we have Talend for big data, okay. So whereas we deal with components here and the components here. So Talend data integration administration can be a part, and big data administration can be a part. Okay, so I'll be able to help you in three things. Okay, on these three. Talend data integration, I can give you the component-wise knowledge, and I'll be able to help you administration part. But this administration part is theoretical, because if you want to know the administration part, it's going to be like we need to buy a license. Okay, so license costs around some lakhs of money. So administration can be taught theoretically, but components wise I'll be able to show you and explain you. And coming to big data, and in big data also we have different components, whereas theoretically can be given the knowledge, okay, but if you want to have a practicality, right, I don't have big data environment, because this is also we need to set up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if the the things that you are looking for, if they falls into these things, then we can work together.
Okay. Okay, that is fine.
Okay, so now tell me, like which one you are interested in knowing, like integration part or big data Talend components?
Okay.
Because Talend will come in two ways like this. If you see here, TOS big data and TOS data integration. You saw on my screen, right?
Okay.
So these are two different products where we will deal with some of the components in big data which are relevant to the big data. Okay, like Hive, okay, Pig, HDFS, okay, and what do you say, some of the Scoop components and the Cassandra components. So these are the components that we actually can have a look when dealing with the big data component list. In addition to this, we have database components, okay, and some of the file components to read the data from different files. And whereas it comes to the data integration involves dealing with components where the components are of DB components, database components, and file components, processing components, orchestration components. Okay, so these are the things, components that will be covered. And when dealing with the administration, okay, administration deals with how to install the Talend integration suite, okay, integration suite, and what are the different components that we are interested in installing, and how can we actually work on scheduling the jobs using Talend Administration Center, which we call in short as TAG. Now these two are different things.
Okay.
Okay. So this one again, this is one thing and this is one thing. That means, so I can split this into three things. Okay, Talend data integration with components and administration. In both of these things, administration can be shown theoretically, and here no administration, but only components, which can be given a theoretical knowledge on how to connect to existing Hadoop environment and connecting to HDFS file systems, and how can we write the queries in Hive, and how can we get the data using the queries, okay, and all information. So this is what I'll be able to help you now. Now, can you please explain me like the things that you are actually looking for are falling into any of these buckets?
Well, basically, I'll be looking at all of those because the problem
Oh,
is I'm already worked in MSBI and Pentaho. The only reason why I want to move into Talend
I
is
understand.
a bigger role, big money.
Yes, yes.
In that case, normally I go as a consultant. I go as a consultant. I'll be able to guide them in different areas. Either it could be in administration or
Okay,
it
so you
could
want
be.
to know talent, complete talent.
Well, that is
Good.
what I normally go for anything if I want to go for.
But you know what? I mean, it may not be required, but I just want to tell you on a related note that talent deals with MDM, okay,
Mm,
uh, data profiling, okay, and data quality.
mm.
I have one screenshot which is very interesting. I just want to show you that. Just give me a second.
Probably at this stage I'm not interested in MDM data quality,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
but eventually at some point. But
Okay.
at this
No,
stage I don't think
that's
because it
what.
would be too much for a person.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. I just
Because
wanna
normally
show
in a
you.
company, yeah, normally in a company if I go, they'll be looking at administration side of because they will be asking me how to set up things, all that stuff, and how to configure things, how to do ETLs, all that stuff. So I will be doing
Yes.
all those. Probably
Mm-hmm.
at this stage, most of the companies they want to implement MDM, but nobody is very much active in that area. At least
Exactly,
in
exactly.
UK.
True. That's true. Yeah. Okay, so if you want me to cover all of these three things, I am ready. Okay, so in general, it will take 12 hours. I mean, not the fast track. I'm talking in general, and this
Mhm.
will take something around 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so and this will also take since this is theoretical knowledge, it will take 12 hours of time. Okay, so on a whole, it will take 35 hours of learning. And since you are looking for fast track, right, we'll be able to cover them between 20 to 22 classes.
Okay, again, I'm not too sure if somebody has told you about my availability.
Mm-hmm. What is the
Uh,
availability? Can you please tell me?
yeah, because I'm working Monday to Friday, mostly
Okay.
available on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, anytime after this time basically. By that, it is around 7 o'clock for me in the morning. I can wake up, I can be anytime available after this. In the weekdays, I am available between 10 to 12 in the morning, Indian time,
Mm-hmm. That is
and in
5:30.
the that will be 5:30 for me, yeah, 5:30
Okay.
to 7:30, and then I
Okay.
can rush to work after that. So 10 to 12 Indian time and 10:30 afterwards in the night.
You mean to say
Um,
10 to 12 India time?
yeah, 10 to 12 India time in the
Mm-hmm.
morning
Mm-hmm.
or after 10:30 p.m. in the night Indian time.
Okay. So, okay, fine. We'll discuss about the timings, but are you, I mean, comfortable, with what you are actually looking for?
Yes, I told you what I needed and you said what you can tell me practically and theoretically.
Yes. Okay. So fine. So classes. So what I'm thinking as of now is 10:30 p.m. and 10 o'clock. I actually leave to office. So on the 10:30 p.m. night, right? So how urgently you need this one, Vinay? Like you are trying to complete it as soon as possible, or you have a month of time, or how it is?
I've got a month of time. I am presently in contract which I'm finishing this contract mid of July,
Mm-hmm.
so 19th of July. So, but
Okay.
normally what I do, I start looking for roles, attending interviews within 2 weeks before I finish a contract,
Yeah,
so that I
that's
can
good.
get a contract to start something before I finish.
Then we can do
So
one thing
I have 1 month at least, solid 1 month.
okay. So, okay. So we will have 2.5 hours of classes in weekends. Okay. So which will be like 5 hours a week. Okay. And we can continue that one for 4 weeks, which will cover 20 hours.
Okay.
And if it is lagging, then 1 or 2 days I'll be able to cover. 1 or 2 days I'll be able to cover from 10:30 p.m. to 12. Okay, so which is like a 1.5 hour. So if you cover 3 or 4 days like this out of in this month, then probably it will cover this fast track stuff. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, that is fine.
Okay, Vinay, nice talking to you. I have experience in teaching all of these things, and I have 9 years of experience working in IT career, and out of which 7 years into data warehouse. And I'm a Talend Enterprise, edition certified consultant. I'm a Talend certified consultant.
Okay. Is the certification very hard, or is it open book or
It's
closed
not
book?
open book. Certification is actually three types. Okay, so basically the first one is just in the development environment certification, and the enterprise version certification, which actually involves development and administration, and the third one is only the administration. I will be able to help you if you want to take the certification in the development studio,
Okay.
like Talend certification. You can, if you type that, you will be going to that certification section. Okay, whereas you will be able to see the certifications that actually they are providing.
Okay.
So you will get like this is certified developer, certified administrator, okay, and this is a certified developer exam, and this is big data real-time certification, and this is data management MDM side, and this is 5.6 version certification exam, and this is the another exam. This is in French. Yeah,
Okay.
so I'll be able to help you if you want to do this certification, this one or this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Enterprise version requires a lot of homework to be done. I did it. I did my enterprise version only.
Do we have
Okay, so
community edition and enterprise edition both anything like this in Talend, or
sorry, in Talend, say that again.
do we have community edition as well?
Community
And
edition
not
means,
not not about the certification. Community
yes,
edition means
we have this product two product offerings, which is Open Studio, which you can directly download from Talend site and then explore it. And another one is enterprise version, for which you need to pay the license fee and get the licensed version of the Talend Studio.
any free any. So there would be more connectors in it, more components in
Yes,
it.
more connectors and more components are there, but in the studio, right? I mean, it's like, let us suppose you are connecting to Oracle database, okay?
Uh-huh.
And
Uh-huh.
in the enterprise version, let us suppose they have given Oracle database connectors plus Netizza as an example. In the
Okay.
enterprise version, they have given Netizza connectivity. The connectivity concept is same, right? But the
Uh-huh.
license version, if you are going, means it may be requiring like you will be dealing with some other environments or source systems which are not being for which the connectors are not provided in the studio version. Then you will go for the enterprise version, but the concept is same, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
all the concepts can be covered in the Open Studio, but using and leveraging these concepts across different source systems may require enterprise version of Talend for some of the people. I mean, some of the
Okay.
companies. And one
Okay.
more advantage with Talend enterprise version is that the scheduling the jobs. You can schedule the jobs.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway,
On the server.
I'm working for a product-based company. I'll be able to show you, but please don't record it. I'll be able to show you the administration part and the GUI, like how do we
Okay.
schedule the jobs, what kind of jobs we schedule, how to create the users. Yeah.
Okay. 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 And one other thing, what sort of programming knowledge this is needed? Is there any Java sort
Talend
of
is
it?
developed. Talend is developed in Java. Okay, so each and every component is designed by coding it in Java. Okay, it's an added advantage to have the Java knowledge, but it's not mandatory.
Okay, because I'm not familiar
Yeah,
with Java.
you will just need to know these two statements. That's it. Okay, this is one statement. Another statement is this one. If you know these three things, life is easy.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I hope you understand these statements.
Yeah. I can understand both of those. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, Vinay. So certification also, if you want me to help you in the certification also, you need to inform me like 2 weeks before.
Yeah, that is not a priority basically
Okay,
for me.
fine.
Okay, so you are available for next couple of weekends?
I can start from 18th,
Okay.
18, 22nd, 18, 25th, 2nd and 9, 16. Yeah, I'll be available. I don't have any plans to go any vacation kind of thing. I'll be available.
Okay, that is fine. And we are roughly expecting around 20 to 25 hours of these things,
Yep.
right? Okay.
Yep.
Fine, okay, that should be fine. And one more thing, last thing, at the end of or in between, would you share some ETLs that are already been developed?
I'm really sorry I can't share them because they are my company's properties which I have worked earlier.
Okay.
But what I can do
Probably
is
the
I can
old
give you
ones.
some
Yeah.
mapping documents using which you can try to develop some jobs and implement those logics. I can give you the mapping documents.
Okay. Okay, that is fine. Yeah, that is fine. No problem.
Okay. Any other questions, Vinay?
No, not at the moment.
Okay, Vinay. I hope all your questions are clarified and the requirements of yours are suiting this knowledge that I have.
Yes. Basically, I would like to get on at least with something uh, for interviews and at the work. So,
While
partner,
teaching,
yeah.
I'll be able to help you like what kind of interview questions that you expect on these components. I'll be able to tell you that while teaching the class itself.
Okay, that is fine. Yeah, okay.
Okay, Vinay. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Have a great
Okay,
weekend.
thank you. Thanks for your time as well. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Bye.